This 2024 Winnebago Sunstar NPF Limited Edition 29NP is a Class A RV. It is located in Bradenton, Florida, 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Sunstar NPF Limited Edition 29NP is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.